the throat clear and swallow. Quick bonus signal. When someone suddenly clears their throat or swallows hard, they just experienced a stress response. Something triggered their fight or flight system. Their mouth went dry. They need to swallow or clear their throat to relieve the discomfort. If you ask someone a direct question and they immediately swallow hard or clear their throat before answering, that question stressed them out. It doesn't mean they're lying, but it means something about that topic makes them uncomfortable.